day. We are gonna see how I can portion all of these delicious ingredients. They are meats and we have some tofu in a minute. With shrimp and light seafood, all I add is olive oil and herbs. With tuna, some sesame oil and then some spices and some herbs. With white fish, I only add herbs and oil. With salmon, I usually add something stronger. This was fig vinegar, and now it's pesto with almonds. It's delicious and easy. With tofu, you put it between 2 paper towels and leave it for a day with a weight on. This will remove all the excess liquid it has, and then it can absorb all those delicious flavors, and the recipe is gonna be in the bottom. With beef, I usually just add garlic, herbs, and olive oil. Then sometimes I add red wine. With white meats, like chicken or turkey, I usually add herbs, salt and pepper, and yogurt. Any other ingredient you can add, but always add the yogurt. It doesn't add any taste, but it prevents it from drying, so you will have an amazing chicken all the time. When it's a whole chicken, it's under the skin, also with the cornichons. This is the way we do it. We put our hand inside. I know it looks easier with a turkey because it's bigger, but it's easier for me to show you. Then you add all that seasoned, delicious yogurt inside, not only in the white part, but also on the legs. It's gonna be amazing. Check it out. And then you don't have to be basting your turkey. You can cook clean every day, fast. With the white pork meats, all you have to do is give it some strong flavor and the yogurt. You will never have a dry pork chop again. Chef Pachi fit.